Okay, we're going to do a quick video on toolbox organization. Now everybody has their own variety of tools and their own likes and dislikes, but I'm going to go over what I did with mine. This is a Tool Vault toolbox from strictlytoolboxes.com. And on the top I chose to put my air tools and cordless impact tools and drills up here, batteries, so I can get easy access to it. I had my sockets up here on my previous toolbox, but I found I couldn't see them very well, so I used this up here for the tools. Now everything I wanted to have quick access to the common tools, so the large drawer on the lower cabinet, I got sockets and extensions in there. Okay. And the next thing we did is pliers. You're always looking for pliers, so that wants to be easily at hand. Of course, screwdrivers. A 1/4-inch drive, sockets, ratchets, extensions here. This has got flaring tool, tubing benders, flare nut wrenches. Now up here we're going to do our wrenches. These are SAE sizes here. The next drawer up is metric wrenches. This is just some extra wrenches I had a little higher up. These are ones we don't use too much. A couple of special tools here. Top we've got air drill, air chisels, some drill bits, punches, Allen wrenches, different stuff. So I got some tire repair stuff, antifreeze tester, battery terminal cleaners. Up here we've got more tap and die sets, a few thread repair things. Okay, we'll move down to the lower cabinet here. Hammers that you need easily at hand. Oil filter wrenches, some brake tools, miscellaneous special stuff. You got bearing separators, pullers in here. Okay, we've got another flaring tool here, tubing cutter, some pressure gauges, miscellaneous odds and ends. And we got some additional impact wrenches we don't need on top, and just a few odds and ends in here. We got hacksaw, pliers, files. There's all kind of stuff you use every day, markers, scrapers, picks, ohm meters. Here we got some tire gauges, die grinder, measuring tools. And down here you have radiator pressure tester, small scanner, a couple odds and ends. So that's about it.